Ever fancied creating a low-maintenance garden oasis right in your backyard? Welcome to the world of low-maintenance gardens, where less watering, less pruning, and less fertilizing means more time to enjoy nature's beauty. Imagine having an enchanting garden that requires minimal upkeep. Sounds like a dream, right? The first step to creating a low-maintenance garden is choosing the right plants. It's crucial to select plants that are native to your area or can thrive in your local climate with minimal attention. This way, nature does most of the work for you. Consider opting for perennials over annuals. These plants stick around year after year, sparing you the need for frequent replanting. Remember, the right plants can make all the difference between a labor-intensive garden and a low-maintenance one. Next, let's talk smart landscaping. The right landscaping choices can drastically cut down on garden maintenance. Mulching is a great strategy. Not only does it suppress those pesky weeds, but it also conserves water by reducing evaporation from the soil. Then there's installing a drip irrigation system. This method of watering is not just efficient, but it takes the guesswork out of when and how much to water your plants. Smart landscaping can significantly reduce your garden chores. Lastly, regular maintenance is key. A well-kept garden is a result of consistent, small-scale tasks like pruning and weeding. These simple actions help maintain the health of your plants and keep your garden looking fresh and vibrant. They also prevent larger, more time-consuming problems down the line. Think of it as a regular checkup for your garden, ensuring everything is growing as it should. Remember, a garden is a living entity, and like any living thing, it needs care and attention. A little regular upkeep can go a long way in maintaining your garden oasis. Creating a low-maintenance garden is a rewarding project that can enhance your outdoor living space. To recap, choose the right plants, employ smart landscaping, and maintain regularly. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!